Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Come along with me for this open collaboration. It is hosted by Deborah Kabaska and Emerson's Adventures. The co-hosts are Penny's Lifestyle Living, Jamon's Creation, and Mary Precious Jones of Huntsville. So come along with me as I show you what I have for the fall freestyle. And I will be leaving all of the ladies' information in my description box. So make sure you go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this open collaboration. And I want to thank all of the ladies for inviting me to join in. If you're not a part of the design family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, and definitely leave me a comment. Don't forget to ring that bell. This is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.